Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered just how big everything is? The sheer number of stars is mind-boggling, but what if I told you that everything you can see, even with the most powerful telescopes, is just a tiny fraction of what's actually out there? Today, we're diving into the mind-bending concept of the observable universe. First, let's get one thing straight. The universe and the observable universe are not the same thing. The observable universe is exactly what it sounds like. It's the portion of the cosmos from which light has had time to reach us here on Earth since the beginning of time. Think of it like being in the middle of a vast ocean. You can only see to the horizon, but you know the ocean extends far beyond what you can see. The universe is that entire ocean, and the observable universe is everything within your personal horizon. So, what defines this horizon? It's all down to three things: the age of the universe, the speed of light, and the expansion of space itself. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. This means that the light from the most distant objects we can possibly see has been traveling for 13.8 billion years to reach us. But here's a twist. While that light was traveling, the universe was expanding. So those objects are now much farther away than 13.8 billion light years. In fact, the edge of the observable universe is estimated to be about 46.5 billion light years away in any direction, making its total diameter a staggering 93 billion light years. Anything beyond that cosmic horizon exists, but its light simply hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. We are, in a sense, looking at a baby picture of the universe. So, how much stuff is packed into our cosmic neighborhood? Scientists estimate there are at least 400 billion galaxies within the observable universe. Some newer estimates even push that number up to 2 trillion. Each of these galaxies, from majestic spirals like our own Milky Way to giant elliptical galaxies, contains anywhere from millions to trillions of stars. When you do the math, the total number of stars comes out to something like 300 sextillion, or a 3 followed by 23 zeros. To put that into perspective, that's more stars than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth combined. Just take a moment to let that sink in. This brings us to a fundamental question. What lies beyond the observable universe? The simple and perhaps frustrating answer is, we don't know for sure. Since we can't observe it directly, we can only theorize. Many cosmologists believe the universe is much, much larger than what we can see, and it might even be infinite. Imagine an endless cosmic web of galaxies and structures stretching on forever. It's also possible the universe is finite, but just so large that it appears flat and infinite from our limited perspective, like an ant on a giant balloon. So why does understanding the difference between the universe and the observable universe matter? Well, for scientists, it's crucial. It helps them study the large-scale structure of the cosmos, measure the rate at which space is expanding, and test fundamental theories like the Big Bang. It defines the limits of our knowledge and pushes us to develop new ways to probe the universe's secrets. For the rest of us, it's a profound lesson in humility. It reminds us that our reality, everything we've ever known and seen, is just a small illuminated bubble in an unimaginably vast, dark ocean. What we perceive is not the full picture. It's a powerful thought that encourages curiosity and wonder. The next time you gaze at the stars, remember you're not just looking at distant suns. You're looking across billions of years of cosmic history, right to the edge of what's possible for us to see. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the edge of our cosmic bubble. If you enjoyed this and want to explore more amazing ideas about our universe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.